Hello everyone, welcome to the Anjanadri Academy channel. In this video, we are going to learn about the basics of mathematics, that too the multiplication. How to multiply the numbers? Let us study the basics concepts behind this arithmetic operation, that is multiplication. 1 into 1 is equal to 1, we know that. 1 into 2 is equal to 2, 1 into 3 is equal to 3, 1 into 4 is equal to 4, 1 into 5 is equal to 5, 1 into 6 is 1 into 9 is 9, 1 into 10 is 10, 1 into 11 or 21 is 21, 1 into 30 300 is equal to 300, 1 into 219 is equal to 219. Whenever you multiply any number with 1, the number remains same. Whichever the number you are multiplying, now the same number remains same. Here also 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whenever you multiply a number with 1, the number remains same. Remember that. Here we go with the next set of numbers. So how to multiply the numbers? How to multiply the given numbers? 2 into 1, that is 2. 2 into 2 or 4 is equal to 8. We know that 2 4s are 8. 2 12s are. Whenever he is asking you, first you multiply 2 with unit digit, that is 2 2s are 4. Next 2 with the tens digit, 2 1s are 2. 2 into 12 is 24. 2 into 18. First you multiply with 2 into 8. 2 8s are 16, carry 1. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 into 18 is 36. 36 is the answer. 18 into 2. I can write this also in this way. 2 into 8, 16. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1, that is 3. 36. 18 twos are 36. Let's proceed with the next set of numbers. 3 into 12. 1 to 1. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 1 is 3. 363 is the answer. That is one step multiplication we call. In one step we will get the answer. 4 into 1 to 2. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8 again. 4 1s are 4. 488 is the answer. Let's take the next number. 6 into 2 to 2. 6 2s are 12. Carry 1. Again 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. Carry 1 again. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 1332 is the answer. Next one. 7 into 3 5 4. 7 4s are 28. Carry 2. 7 5s are 35 plus 2 37. Carry 3. 7 3s are 21 plus 3 24. 2478 is the answer. When you multiply with 7, you will get this answer. This is how we will get the answer with one step. That's why I call it as one step multiplication. Let's proceed with the next number, that is tables. To understand if this concept is very easy, tables up to 10 are enough. Multiplication. Tables up to 10 are enough to multiply. Remember this. Let's go with the next set of numbers. 8 into 2, 4, 2, 1. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. Carry 1. 8 fours are 32. 32 plus 1 is 33. Carry 3 again. 8 twos are 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 19,368 is the answer. Let's take next number. 9 into 2, 5, 6, 2, 3. 9 threes are 27. Carry 2. 9 twos are 8. 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 2, 20. Carry 2 again. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 2, 56. Carry 5. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 5, 50. Carry 5. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 5, 23. That is the answer. 2,30,607 is the answer. This is how we will get the answer in one step. Let's proceed with the next set of numbers. Here we go with the next set of numbers. 4 into 6 3 4 3 2 5 6. How to multiply? 4 6 are 24. Carry 2. 4 5 are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. Carry 2 again. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Carry 1. 4 4s are 6. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Carry 1. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 1, 17. Again carry 1. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Carry 1 again. 4 6 are 24 plus 1, 25. This is the answer. 2,53,73,024 is the answer. Let's proceed. 7 into 9 8 7 6 5 4. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. Carry 2. 7 5s are 35 plus 2, 37. Carry 3. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 3, 45. 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 4, 53. Carry 5. 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 5, 61. Carry 6. 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 6, 69. This is the way to get the answer. Whenever they ask you to multiply a number with single digit, in one step you will get this answer. Let's proceed with the next number. 6 into 7 8 4 5 3 2. 6 2s are 12. Carry 1. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. Carry 1 again. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 1, 31. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3, 27. Carry 2. 6 8s are 48, 48 plus 2, 50, carry 5, 6 sevens are 42, 42 plus 5, 47, 47077192. That is 47,07,192 is the answer. Thank you for watching.